This is my first time juicing. I'd like to share what it's like to unbox the Nama J2 juicer. From start to finish, the setup, my first juicing experience, the taste of it, and finally the cleanup. So the J2 juicer is just actually a beautiful piece for your kitchen, and it was easy to set up. Every part came in a box. You just have to do simple unwrapping and uncardboarding of a lot of things. And our dog and cat totally had fun playing with everything. It comes with a quick start guide, which is a cute little pink pamphlet, and it shows you how to layer things. So you want the softest things on the bottom and then the more harder things on the top. And as you get more experience, I'm sure this is a lot easier. So the base I picked was white, and you put on the very top part and it just sets in there. You don't have to worry about clicking it into place or anything. You want to do all your prep work ahead of time. So this one I chose to do just a little bit of butter lettuce at the bottom because we had some left over. Then I put spinach. Then we put Fuji apple, just one of them, and one cucumber, and a lot of kale. You put the part for the stuff, the fiber part at the back, and then your juice will come out the front. And then you literally plug it in, turn it on. So it was just so fun to see your juice start being made. And you can see it right there, just like the donut place. I forget which donut place you get to see the donuts being made. I think it's Tim Hortons. But it's just like that, but juice. And I did not know you do want to lift that little silver thing to let the juice out.
Look at all the backside.
Please don't fall in love, 'cause I think you all day. Yeah, I was running through my brain, can't be nothing. 'Cause I just know you got me thinking about forever. Gotta crush, crush, crush on you. I just wanna be your only crush, crush, crush on you. I'm not the type.
I started juicing because I wanted to avoid juices with a lot of fruit in them. I wanted more vegetables than fruit. And it's more difficult to find cold pressed, and they tend to be a lot more expensive at the store. One of my friends, Emily McWilliams, who I went to a yoga workshop recently, juiced in our hotel room, told me about this juicer. So I'm super glad I had that person as a reference and to figure out like resources, what to use, what apples to use. She said to use not the Gala apples. Gala apples tend to be a little bit more squishier. It ends up being like applesauce. So that's why you could pick like Fuji, Envy apples that are more substantial so they don't turn into mush and applesauce. So find someone that has a lot of experience like she does. The Nama J2 does come with a recipe book, and it gives you advice on things like I didn't know when I added lemon, do I leave the seeds out? And yes, you do. Do you take the rind off? Yes, you do. They said the seeds can sometimes have toxins. So you want to remove the seeds and the apples and the lemons. And for the lemons, oranges, grapefruits, you do want to remove the rind.
Just know you got me thinking about forever. Gotta crush, crush, crush on you. I just wanna be your only crush, crush, crush on you. I'm not the type.
Once it's done, you just turn the knob off. And they said if you're in the middle of juicing and it gets stuck, just do the reverse, but we didn't have to do that this time. This is our first batch, so we were super excited. Look how beautiful this juice is. No preservatives. Oh my gosh, we didn't get all organic ingredients, but wouldn't that be amazing? The taste was really good. I was really super happy and surprised that we did so well our first time around. The cleanup is next. Just take everything over to sink, and we do save the pulp part, and the pulp I've heard from people you can give it to your dog. We don't want to give it to Boomer just yet until we know how it affects his digestive tract. I don't know. Do you like bake them? If you have any ideas, just put it in the comments below. For now, my husband ate them as a snack. He just liked really whole foods. And we're just going to keep this in our Tupperware, keep it in our refrigerator for later. I added more and more vegetables. Our second batch, we put some lemon. Didn't like it as much. I put too many lemons. I put 2. So I suggest if you're going to do a lemon, just do 1. But still liked it. Now for the cleanup, just lift it off the base. And you're going to untwist and pop off the lid. So pop off the lid first by squeezing where the handle is, just like that. Pops off. And then you want to untwist the entire top off of the base. So you just twist counterclockwise. Every piece can be washed and should be cleaned thoroughly, and they come with a little brush with a little kind of poker thing that you can get in these little tiny spots.
Pretty easy to clean.
All the parts came out really easily. You don't have to twist or pull any part. To get rid of the center section, I just dumped it upside down, just completely fell out. And they tell you not to put your fingers in while it's juicing, but there's no sharp blades actually on that auger, so it's just plastic and blunt. And then this part just slides out.
Let me tell you now, I got a crush on you. I want you more than just for a night. I'm just saying, you deserve it. I need you, baby, let me stay by your side. Come and show me, 'cause I just know you got me thinking about forever. Got a crush on you. I just wanna be your only crush.
So overall, summary, as a first-time juicer, we were super happy that it was so easy and successful to do your own juicing. So hope you have fun with this. If you have another juicer you really like, please put in the comments below why you like them, if you like this one, and what advice you have for especially us. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.
Crush on you.